a dryer brush on my wig, and it's called the Knot Doctor blow dryer. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so this is the blow dryer. It's called the Knot Doctor, and it's basically a blow dryer with a brush. Basically, that's why it's called the dryer brush. I've been wanting to use this for a long time, and I've seen a lot of girls do it on TikTok. So I'm like, I'm gonna give this a try. I don't know if it's gonna work though. I'm gonna take that from the box. Got like this little thing. This is the blow dryer part. This part so I got blue and black. Oh no, it's okay. Instructions. I pretty much know how to use it, so I really don't need to use these instructions. I'm just extra at this point. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it together. You go this way. See, I don't know what I'm doing. I got it. I finally got it. I don't know. I'm just hoping that it worked though. So we're just gonna get into this and we're gonna see how this goes. I don't know. and I think I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10. And the Knot Doctor, you purchased this at Walmart, the beauty supply. I actually got mine from Walmart, and it was only like $25. So yeah, this definitely works. It have it silky, and it dry quick. As you've seen in the video, I didn't even like take my hair from piece. Like I didn't start in the back. I just let my hair down and just blow dry it out on both sides. So yeah, and I feel like this will be better for like, you see sometimes when people flat iron their hair, they use a comb in the flat iron together. But this is just perfect because it's just the brush with it and it's already the heat. So thank you guys for watching this video. And like I said, this dryer brush was definitely given a 10 out of 10 for me. Like I said, be sure to get this at Walmart, the beauty supply, maybe even Family Dollars. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.